You gonna close her in there?
Welcome now.
Brady, go. Brady, you have to use your inside voice or you're gonna scare Bonnie. You want me to take her out?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Let's see if she'll come out. Show her your carrots again. It looks like she wants some hay. Brady, here. Show her this piece of hay. Brady, show her this hay. Come look at Mommy. Right here, buddy. Go see if she wants this. Show it to her. She can't see it. You need to put it in front of her nose. Put your hand in her cage and put the hay in front of her nose, buddy.